Cardano value equivalent to $0.3637 a coin, which essentially is very huge. The present exchange cost range, 0.3610 0.3757, or so they really thought. The earlier day close, 0.3744, which most certainly is very critical. The change in a real sense was 0.0107, 2.86%, which explicitly is very critical. Converse rate, USD to ADA in an unobtrusive way. Cardano value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $0.37, essentially most extreme 0.40. Least 0.34, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano figure on Monday, June 5, cost $0.37, greatest 0.40, by and large least 0.34, or so they generally thought. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.37, most certainly greatest 0.40, beautiful least 0.34 in a really significant way. Cardano figure on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.39, certainly most extreme 0.42, especially least 0.36, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.39, essentially greatest 0.42, really least 0.36, which generally is genuinely huge. Cardano figure on Friday, June 9, cost $0.39, sort of most extreme 0.42, essentially least 0.36 in a significant way. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost $0.38, most extreme 0.41, in every practical sense, least 0.35. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.37, lovely most extreme 0.40, exceptionally least 0.34 in a by and large significant manner. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.37, truly greatest 0.40, really least 0.34, which basically is genuinely critical. In about 14 days Cardano estimate on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.38, exceptionally most extreme 0.41, fundamentally least 0.35, exhibiting that genuinely converse rate, USD to ADA in an unobtrusive way. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost $0.37, extremely greatest 0.40, least 0.34, which essentially is genuinely huge. Cardano gauge on Monday, June 19, cost $0.37, really greatest 0.40, genuinely least 0.34 incredibly. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.37, lovely greatest 0.40, really least 0.34. Cardano figure on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.37, essentially most extreme 0.40, genuinely least 0.34, which is very critical. In 3 weeks Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.38, greatest 0.41, least 0.35, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano gauge on Friday, June 23, cost $0.38, lovely most extreme 0.41, essentially least 0.35, which by and large is very huge. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost $0.38, truly most extreme 0.41 in every way that really matters, least 0.35 amazingly. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.39, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.42, least 0.36 in an exceptionally significant way. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost $0.38, fundamentally most extreme 0.41, certainly least 0.35, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about a month Cardano figure on Thursday, June 29, cost $0.39, genuinely greatest 0.42, least 0.36 in a for the most part significant manner. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 30, cost $0.38, really greatest 0.41, certainly least 0.35. So today, exchange cost range, 0.3610 0.3757 amazingly. Cardano conjecture on Monday, July 3, cost $0.39, genuinely most extreme 0.42, really least 0.36 incredibly. USD to ADA conversion standard kind of equivalent to 2.7495 coins per $1 in every way that really matters, significant way. Today, S reach 2.6617-2.7701, exhibiting how Cardano estimate on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.37, genuinely greatest 0.40, truly least 0.34, or so they generally thought. The past day, S nearby 2.6709, or so they really thought. Change for now plus 0.0786, plus 2.94% in an unpretentious way. USD to ADA cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, exhibiting how today, S reach 2.6617-2.7701, showing how Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.37, exceptionally most extreme 0.40, truly least 0.34, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Cardano figure on Friday, June 2, cost 2.703 coins, kind of most extreme 2.941. By and large least 2.500. So Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.37, especially greatest 0.40, by and large least 0.34, or so they explicitly thought. USD to ADA expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 2.703 coins. In every practical sense, most extreme 2.941, genuinely least 2.500, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost 2.703 coins, genuinely greatest 2.941, certainly least 2.500, or so they explicitly thought. USD to ADA forecast on Wednesday, June 7, cost 2.564 coins, certainly greatest 2.778, lovely least 2.381, kind of additional appearance how the past day, S nearby 2.6709, which sort of is very critical. In multi-week dollar to Cardano figure on Thursday, June 8, cost 2.564 coins, genuinely greatest 2.778, kind of least 2.381, or so they sort of thought. USD to ADA expectation on Friday, June 9, cost 2.564 coins, lovely greatest 2.778, essentially least 2.381. So in multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.39, fundamentally most extreme 0.42, exceptionally least 0.36, which truly is very critical. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Monday, June 12, cost 2.632 coins, especially most extreme 2.857, really least 2.439 in an unpretentious way. USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost 2.703 coins, fundamentally most extreme 2.941, in every way that really matters, least 2.500, or so they by and large thought. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Wednesday, June 14, cost 2.703 coins, kind of greatest 2.941, certainly least 2.500, so the change especially was 0.0107, 2.86% in a fundamentally significant way.